Hi friends, my name is Kanishka. I am 11 years old. I am from Tamil Nadu. I like to swim, to play cricket, to read Harry Potter series novels, and I used to spend time to make small home appliances using electronic circuits. I have been doing coding course with Whitehead Junior past 1 year. I find the codes are very fascinating, entertaining, attractive, and a magical tool to create something. I am very curious about the output when I do the codes.
And we identify how many objects are there in that image, right?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to solve real-time problems. That time I got an opportunity to know the problems faced by advocates while communicating with the clients. So I used my coding skills and created an app called eAttorney that solved the problems faced by the advocates. My father has more than 20 years of active experience in his advocate profession. Actually, I intend to help my father. That time I got to know the problems faced by him, such that collecting the documents, evidences, preparing the case report, filing the case report, following up for the next meeting and hearing date. After learning coding with Whitehead Junior, I got an idea that coding can solve this problem of advocates. So I have created an application called eAttorney. When the advocate enter into the app, he need to create an account using his email and secure password. After that, he need to log in using email and password. Then he can see profile screen. In the profile screen, he can update the profile, advocate name, profile image, advocate age, advocate contact number, bar enrollment number, etc. After that, there will be a drawer navigator option where he should click to go to the cases list screen. In the cases list screen, he can view menu list of his cases. If he did not give any details, there will be a blank list. To enter and detail, he need to click on the add button. After clicking on the add button, he will go direct to a page where he can enter the client details. In the client details, he need to type client name, client profile, etc. Then he should also type is the case filed or not. After that, when he clicks on the update button, he can see every cases whenever he wants. Advocates can enter all of their details in the profile screen. Advocates can store n number of case details through this application. Both advocate and client can able to view the case details whenever they want. Also, a virtual personal assistant for advocates and clients that will help them to remind the case hearing and next meeting date. All the data of the app should get stored in the cloud platform, so it can be easy to retrieve from anywhere in the internet. To protect the data of the app, we can implement the multi-factor authentication. This application will reduce the manual activities of the advocate routines. To increase the communication between advocates and clients, in the future version of the app, it should support for the user to exchange the information through the app with different formats such as audio, video, document and text. In the Play Store, there is no virtual app for the clients and there is no virtual storage option for the advocates. Technology has been changed the world in many ways in all industries and organizations. Similarly, law codes are also changing into digital. One of the reasons it's a challenge for advocates to meet their clients' expectations. In this way, I created the application to change the world. So I hope that the application will reduce the communication gap between advocate and client. It will also increase the productivity of the advocate and save their time. Hope you will use the application and achieve a lot in your advocate profession. Thank you.